Hi, Year 11s. These questions look simple, but they're exactly where students throw marks away in the exam. Let's do a quick survival round. Numbers. Question 1. The temperature decreased by 6 degrees from 19 degrees. So, from 19 degrees, we do 19 minus 6, because decreased, which gives 13. Question 2. We need to multiply 4/5 by 3/4. We can do it quickly, just cross simplification, or multiply the top numbers. 4 times 3 equals 12. Multiply the bottom numbers. 5 times 4, so we get 12 over 20. Now simplify. Top and bottom can be divided by 4, so final answer is 3/5. Algebra. Question 1. Find the nth term of 17, 20, 23, 26. This sequence is linear, increases every time by 3, so we start with 3n. Now, let's check the first term. Put 3 above the first number of the sequence, 17, and work out what should be done with 3 to get 17. Add 14. So the final answer is 3n plus 14, 2 exam marks. Question 2. Solve x over 7 plus 7 is greater than 17. The rules are the same as for equations. Always do opposite, always do the same to both sides. First, subtract 7 from both sides. That gives x over 7 is greater than 10. Every fraction is division, so opposite will be times. Now multiply both sides by 7. So x is greater than 70. Geometry and measures. Question 1. Find the circumference of a circle with radius 5 centimeters. Circumference actually means perimeter of the circle. Let's use the formula 2 pi r. Substitute instead r 5, and that gives us 2 times pi times 5, which is 10 pi. So exact answer is 10 pi centimeters. But you are told to work it out and give answer to one decimal place. So the final answer is decimal is 31.4 to one decimal place. Question 2. Convert 490 grams to kilograms and round to one decimal place. To change grams to kilos, remember kilo always means 1,000, so you have to divide by 1,000. So 490 divided by 1,000 is 0.49 kilograms. We're told to round it to one decimal place, and that is 0.5 kilos. Ratio. Question 1. 9 chocolate bars cost £6.39. How much would 21 bars cost? There are different ways how to work out. You can work out the price for 3 chocolate bars and then multiply by 7. We will work out price for 1 bar. So 639p divide by 9, and the price is 71p for each bar. Now let's multiply by 21. 0.71 pound, which is 71p, times 21 will be 1,491p, or total cost is 14 pounds and 91p. Question 2. Simplify. 1 mark question. The highest common factor for all these numbers is 3. So divide each part by 3. The simplified ratio is 7 to 2 to 3. Statistics. Question 1. Find the mean of 27, 18, 13, 31, 21. And what shall we do? 2 mark exam questions to step. First mark goes for adding them together. That gives 110. Now divide by 5 because we're given 5 numbers. The mean is 22. Statistics. Question 2. Find the mode of 1, 51, 51, 23, 53, 4. The mode is the value that appears most often. Here, 51 appears twice, so the mode is 51. Probability. Question 1. A fair 6-sided dice is rolled. What is the probability of rolling a 6? There is one successful outcome out of 6 possible outcomes because every cube has 6 faces. So the probability is 1/6. Question 2, the same routine. What is the probability of rolling 2? We have only one face with 2 and 6 faces. Again, there is one successful outcome out of 6. So the probability is 1/6. One exam mark. These are the marks you shouldn't be losing. Pause, retry them, and train yourself to take the easy marks first. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. If there are topics you are struggling with, please write in comments and wait for new videos.